Lesson 2, Asking for Help. In this lesson, we will look at getting information from others. There are a number of ways to approach people. Listen and repeat. Excuse me. Gama leishgéal. Hi, can you help me? Hi, an féidir leat cabhrú liom? Where is? Cá bhfuil? Please? Le do thoil? Thank you. Gurra maithagat. I'm looking for the post office. Táim ag lorg ifig an phoist. Now, we will put these phrases into complete sentences. Listen and repeat. Excuse me. Hi. Can you help me, please? Where is the post office? Thank you. Gama leishgéal? Hi. An féidir leat cabhrú liom le do thoil? Cá bhfuil ifig an phoist? Gurra maithagat. Good. Some more phrases. Listen and repeat. What is the way to? Cén slí chuig? What is the way to? Cén treo ina bhfuil? Can you give me directions to? An féidir leat treoracha a thabhairt dom chuig. I am looking for Táim ag lorg. The main street. An phríomh sráid. The shops. Na siopaí. The beach. An trá. Now we'll join these up into longer sentences. Listen and repeat. What is the way to the beach? Cén treo chuig an trá? Can you give me directions to the main street? An féidir leat treoracha a thabhairt dom go dtí an phríomh sráid. I am looking for the shops. Táim ag lorg na siopaí. Now, try some more sentences. Again, listen and repeat. The shops are on the main street. Tá na siopaí an bríomhsráid. The post office is opposite the shops. Tá ifig an phoist os comhair na siopaí. The beach is the first left after the shops. Tá an trá chlé díreach tar éis na siopaí. Take the next right for the main street. Tóg an chéad chasa eile dheis le dul go dtí an phríomh sráid. Now listen to the next sentence in English and then attempt to say it in Irish yourself. Hi, can you help me? I'm looking for the beach. Is it the next left after the post office? Oh, the first right on the main street. Thank you. Okay, it goes like this. Hi. An féidir leat cabhrú liom. Táim ag lorg an trá. An bhfuil sé chlé tar éis ifig an phoist. Ó, an chéad chasa dheis an bríomhsráid. Gurra maithagat. Now, try it again yourself. Now we'll look at more examples of seeking help. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, I need some help. Gama leishgéal, tá cúnamh uaim. How can I help you? Conas gur féidir liom chaurú leat. I'm looking for the Seaview B&B. Tá meg lorug B&B on Seaview. Do you know the address? Unwill unshola agut? Yes, it's in the townland of Conlin. Tá sé maile farin Conlin. Okay, I know it now. You need to go back the way you came. Tá sé gum manish. Ca tú dul arás an slí a tháinig tú. Right. Ceart go leor. Then take the second left after De Ross's pub. Tógan dara casa chlé rééis teachtáirne De Rossa. Yes. Sha. And you'll see it on your right 200 metres later. Agus fecha tú yesh ráchéad méadar araig. That's great, thank you very much. Sin iontach, gur míle mahagat. And if we join some of the phrases up, listen and repeat. The Seaview B&B is in the townland of Conlin. To get there, you take the second left after De Ross's pub, and after 200 metres, you'll see it on your right. Tá B&B on Seaview in maile farin Conlin. Le dul ann tóg an dara casa chlé, tréis teachtáirne De Rossa, agus ráchéad méadar ina dhiaidh sin, fecha tú yesh. Now we will look at correcting misunderstandings. Listen and repeat. Do you understand? An diggin tú. Do you speak Irish? An bhfuil Gaeilge agat? I have some Irish. Tá roinnt Gaeilge agam. Please speak slowly. Leabhar go maol le dthathail. Can you repeat that, please? Aber sin arís le dthathail? I don't understand. Ní higgim. Try some of these phrases again. I have some Irish. Please speak slowly. Tá roinnt Gaeilge agam. Leabhar go maol le dthathail. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Ní higgim. Aber sin arís le dthathail. Asking the time. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, what time is it? Gumma leiscéal, cén tá mé? It is 2:30. Tá sé leathuair tréis a dó. What time do the shops open? Cén taim a osclaíonn na siopaí? The shops open at 9 o'clock. Osclaíonn na siopaí ar an 9 a chlog. When does the bar close? Caithfinn a dhúnann an bar. The bar closes at midnight. Dúnann an bar ag meán oíche. Now we will conclude this section by recapping on the vocabulary learned over the last 2 lessons. Listen and repeat. Hello. Diolch. Hi. Hi. My name is einem dom. Nice to meet you. Das bula lat. Excuse me. Go moleiscéal. Can you help me? An féidir leat cabhrú liom. Where is? Cá bhfuil. Please. le do huil. I need some help. Tá cúnamh wem. Thank you. Go ra mahagat. Goodbye. Slán. See you. Feiceim mé who. Post office. Ifig an phoist. What is the way to? Cén slí chuig. Can you give me directions to? An féidir leat treoracha a thabhairt dom go dtí. I am looking for táim ag lorg. The main street. An phríomh shráid. The shops. Na siopaí. The beach. An trá. Opposite. Os comhair. The first. An chéad. Left. Clay. On the left. Chlé. Right. Das. On the right. Yesh. After. Tar éis. The next one. An chéad cheann eile. The address. An seola. Pub. Teach tábhairne. That's great. Sin íontach. Thank you very much. Go raibh míle maith agat. Do you understand? An dtuigeann tú. I don't understand. Ní thuigim. Do you speak Irish? An bhfuil gaeilge agat. Speak slowly. Labhair go maol. What time is it? Cén taim é? It is 2:30. Tá sé a leathuair tar éis a dó. 9 o'clock. Naoi a chlog. Midnight. Meán níthe. Open. Oscail. Close. Dún.